Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do another beautiful set, and it's part of my 12 videos celebrating the International Women's Day with Born Pretty, and I'll be using my Born Pretty gel polish products to create this beautiful set. Today is day 9, so we have 3 more days left to go. I cannot believe I've recorded 8 videos or 9 videos in the past 9 days. You know, it's not easy creating content. So I've started applying my base coat. I'm going to cure the base coat in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'll start applying my base gel. I'll be using a beautiful nude gel polish from Born Pretty, and I'll be doing just a coat because of the kind of design I want to do. I'll be doing another abstract nail art today, but it's going to be the colorful abstract nail art. So kindly watch this video to the end and let me know your thoughts about this set in the comment section. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So you can see how beautiful the nude is, the pinkish nude. So I'm going to be doing a coat. Whatever excess polish I have near the critical area of the skin, I'm going to be dipping my brush. I actually use my polygel brush, but you can use a flat brush, a flat angled brush. So you dip it in acetone to clean the sides to make your work a little bit neat. And so any excess you see by the side, I'm going to clean it before I cure it in the UV lamp. Also, I'm going to be curing this for 60 seconds before I start using the different gel polish color to create my abstract nail art. So while I'm curing this in the UV lamp, I'm going to be showing you the colors we'll be working with today. It was when I was doing the voiceover that I discovered that a lot of the colors that I was dropping into the palette was not actually within the camera frame. But I'm going to show you guys later. You'll see it anyways later. So I'm using these colors to create the design I'll be doing today on the nails. So I have these issue with Born Pretty. So I get your product, you send your product to me for review, and when we go to the website bornpretty.com to place an order for your products, we see that Nigeria is not part of the countries that you ship to, but I see Niger there. I would like to believe that you think Niger is actually Nigeria. So please, if there is a way that you can include Nigeria as part of the countries that you ship to, I'll be very happy. You know, because I review your products, nail technicians are watching, and they always, or let's say I recommend your product to them. When they ask me for products they can buy that is very good, I recommend your products to them, and it's sad that they cannot actually order from your website directly. They have to go through AliExpress. A lot of them would like to order directly from you, so I would like you guys to work on that and include Nigeria in the among the countries that you ship to. So we have Post Office Nigeria, we have UPS, we have is that UPS? No, we have DHL, we have FedEx, we have other things that we can use to receive items from all over the world. So please, Born Pretty, kindly look into this and include Nigeria into or among the countries that I ship to. Thank you very much. So I've started the abstract line. You know, I'm actually working based on a design I saw on Instagram, but I've changed the colors because I actually wanted to work with Born Pretty products, so I decided to go with the colors I have to create this pattern. So these actually are not originally my nail ideas. They are nail designs that I see on Instagram that I just tweak a little bit. Thank you guys for watching my videos from day 1 till now. Today is day 9. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So March 10 is the day where Bumpers will be doing free shipping worldwide except Nigeria. So kindly take advantage of this and check out those items you have put in your cart. And also don't forget to use my coupon code Glitterspolish so you can get discounts on any items you are purchasing from their website. I'm also going to leave my affiliate marketing website link in the description box so you can use them to enter the Born Pretty website so they can know you're from me. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Again, I'm going to be playing another song for you, cover song for you by Christine Ini. Don't forget to watch this video to the end. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So I'll talk to you guys again in my next video, which is tomorrow. Till then, bye guys and stay blessed. What you give me is not enough. Oh. You know, say me, I know I fall in love, shawty. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. My long room sorrow me die with you. Oh. Baby, all I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, yeah. And I'm calling to you, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you.
Mystic Empire.
use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Hey, you see this life, working very hard to get the best life, living every day like it's the last thing, you know it. Following my dreams on a whim to the fullest. They say you can't do this, no, it's impossible, yes, you quit. But with God by my side, I can do all things. I've got joy unspeakable, faith unshakable, peace untouchable, fire of the Holy Ghost. You can spoil the way that I'm feeling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling, hey, I'm too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family.